Welcome to another healthy recipe video. Today I'm sharing one of my favorite Kerala style breakfast recipe, Puttu. Puttu is steamed ground rice with scraped coconut, usually made in cylinder shape. My great grandmother used to prepare Puttu with coconut milk instead of water. I further revised the recipe by adding carrots and almonds for some fiber and extra protein. Almonds are not part of the original Puttu recipe. Overnight soaked almonds were peeled, roasted and ground. Grated 1 large carrot. For 1 cup rice powder, I add half cups of grated carrot. Rice powder or puttu powder of preferred brand, 1 cup. This cup is almost equal to 250 ml of measuring cup. Rice to water or milk ratio for this brand is 1:1. It may vary. Cardamom seed powder from 1 or 2 pots or 1/8 teaspoon. And we need half of a coconut to extract coconut milk. Add 1 1/4 cup of water to scrape coconut. Blend, squeeze out the milk. Or you can use ready-made coconut milk or even dairy milk. Add rice powder to a bowl, followed by 1/8 teaspoon of salt. For a mild sweeter version, add 1 teaspoon of sugar of choice. Mix well. Add milk. And mix. It looks lumpy at this stage. Keep it covered for 20 minutes or as in the instructions. The milk has been absorbed. Mix again and break any lumps. Add grated carrots, almond powder, and cardamom powder. All the ingredients are evenly mixed. I keep it aside for another 10 minutes. Meanwhile, take freshly grated coconut. Desiccated coconut is the second best option. Puttu maker for cylinder shaped puttu. Puttu can be steamed without a puttu maker also. Shape is not necessary. Layer 3 to 4 tablespoons of grated coconut at the bottom. Add the rice mix and fill up to the center. Level it and add another layer of coconut. Fill with the rice mix again. Do not press while filling the mix. Finish with the top layer of scraped coconut. Close the lid and steam the puttu for 10 to 15 minutes. Meanwhile, I prepared soya chunks masala curry. The first set of puttu is now ready. as soft as cotton. We don't need any side dish to eat this breakfast. With the measurements I have given, you can prepare 3 similar sets of puttu. If not using the puttu maker, steam the mix layered on the steamer tray. Now the second set goes in. While puttu was getting ready, I quickly prepared the curry. With or without a side dish, this milk puttu tastes delicious. I hope you like the video. Do try the milk puttu recipe. It is delicious and rich in protein and fiber. Soya chunks masala is very delicious and is high in protein. It goes well with any type of puttu and tastes better than meat. Detailed recipe will be shared in my channel soon. Please keep watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.